welcome. This is Priscilla Batzell. This is the Summer Splash event. There are 14 artists and 14 opportunities to win a 6-piece set of Prism Pour paints. There's one big prize, $400 worth of shopping spree goes to the one who completes the phrase and turns it in by August 19th at midnight. The phrase will be offered up word by word or words by words, one for each video for each artist affiliate. All right, so welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. This is a 14 by 14 inch canvas. Palette knife, my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. And I'm going to spread a little bit of white base paint that has Floetrol and GAC 800 in it just to moisten the base. Hopefully I don't have too much. And on the off chance that I do, I'm going to try and grab a little scrape dish, which is my go-to when I have paint that's excess. You can find them in the Michael's Party section. And I really don't want a lot of excess. So I'm glad to get rid of this right now. I need enough so it doesn't dry before I get a chance to put my paint on. I'm going to do another Seascape. I did one recently and I had a camera malfunction, so sadly we don't have that. But I do have it standing by where I can see it to give myself some inspiration for colors. I'm going to be using the new sets of Frosted Sorbets from Colour Arte. I'm going to throw that under there. Hopefully I remember to grab it out again. This is a Frosted Sorbet. This is blue ice. I got to remember to go straight across because any of those marks will probably show up, although the white in the background will probably help. This is some interference blue. I want to remember to go all the way across too. This is some interference violet. These are just interferences. They're color shifting basically. Whoa. Helps if the top stays on. And I'm going to move on to some Icy Iris, which is gorgeous. And I will be using my spatula to spread the colors across. Here's some Plum Blossom, which I adore. And my horizon should be somewhere near the middle. I'm going to use some Pink Chiffon. And with that, a little bit of Cherry Sorbet, which is a beautiful color. Absolutely beautiful color. I think I'm a pink fanatic when it comes to color art. Here's Tiger Lily. I'm going to go down to my bottom and start with the blue ice again. Move on to some of the moonbeams. I love this blue grotto. It's awesome. It's my favorite bright blue at the moment. Then another favorite, Bashful Blue. I think they're all my favorites. And Sea Glass, appropriately enough. I think you could spread them all across. Then there's sage. I am going to use all the colors. I might put a few colors from the sky in there. Sage. What do I want to put from the sky? I'm being drawn to the plum blossom. Put my colors back someplace I can keep them out of the way. I won't be spinning. I do have an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. I'm not sure where I hid the one I had ready, but this will do. So I'm going to spread it across and come back again with my residual and put it right down on the edge. Do it again above, all the way over to the edge. Looks like I'm going to get cells from the base paint I used. I didn't get cells the last time I tried this, but I did get some crazing, although it turned out to be really, really cool and looked like it belonged in the picture. So I'm going to come back here and use some more of the paint that I pick up on the blade of my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, best paint spreading tool I know of. Trying to adjust myself. I'm working inside my spin box just because I don't have any place to put it right now, which makes it somewhat less than convenient. And then, after we make sure we have every opportunity to have covered my edge, and did pretty well at that actually. I should not throw my spatula across the painting if I can avoid it, because that's bound to end up in drips. I am going to take, I was going to say I am going to take a chance, but I'm going to try and undo what I just did. Pick up that color. I'm going to use my studio rag, clean that off, because I want to take that blue out of there. More like the green. Alright, so I'm going to use the colors on my spatula down here in the ocean section. Just by dabbing the blade. I could actually pull that across like I did in the sky, but I'm kind of interested to see what the texture is going to be like. And I may still do that. I'm planning on putting a horizon line in. I'm going to move that someplace. We can have some waves. I could use some cell activator if I want to make some waves. I'm going to pick up and steal any amount of paint. I can find and utilize it back into the piece. Very pretty colors, just gorgeous actually. I want some more paint for my bottom edge. I need to use that scrape dish. Where'd it go? I hit it on myself. There we go. Scrape off my Alright, that's my key. I don't really have 6 minutes. So your key phrase is, the 2 words are only light. That's my hint for you. Take that color and put it somewhere else. Now it's time for me to put my horizon line in. And I have some deep amethyst. Had some deep amethyst. Nope, there it is. And I'm going to give myself a little bit at the horizon line on both sides. Just like I did the last time I did one of these. And use my spatula to make myself some sort of island or peninsula. I kind of wanted to put something in the foreground in the way of rocks or something down there. I'm just going to move that up here. I want to take some of my leftover paint from yesterday. Could regret this. I hope not. And grab another palette knife. And I wanted some green right on top of my cell activator, which in this case I'm going to use a little bit of, whoops, wrong side. Never done that before. A little bit of purple, a little bit of rich gold. Atelier. The purple is a dioxazine purple from Hobby Lobby. And the sea glass. Just add a little element in front. Change things up a little bit. I also grabbed a skewer and dragged a few trees out. Threw a few rocks in there. Tell you, I have a trick I like to use my tweezers. They're available on my Amazon link, which reminds me, I have over 2,600 videos, so if you guys are interested, that means I'm done. Okay, so I'm gonna have to edit something out to make it the right length. I love you guys. Take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Bye for now. I didn't bring my phone, so I can't shimmer it at you. Make sure to watch all 14 artists. Priscilla out.